Hi, welcome. It's Lily and I'm back with another DIY video. I'll be showing you how to make a fully emulsified oil and water fresh avocado deep conditioner with shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, honey, plus more. This is not your regular DIY avocado deep conditioner where you just mash up an avocado and add honey. This is an advanced formula similar to the one sold by Naturall, which is a hair care company, for example. So please stay tuned. This emulsifying wax is all natural. It's made with cetyl alcohol and polysorbate 6C. This wax is going to bind your oil and water together into a nice whipped cream consistency. So I'm using a microwave to heat both my water and oil for 1 minute each separately. But you don't have to use a microwave if you don't want to. You can use a double boiling method, but it's going to take you a bit longer. So if you do that, make sure you get both to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This dip conditioner is going to repair and hydrate dry, dull, and damaged hair after just one application. Feel free to leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And the video's not over yet. I'm also going to apply this to my boyfriend's hair, so keep watching. There is absolutely no preservative in my formula, so this is only going to last you about 4.5 or 3.5 days. And also, you have to leave it in the fridge. You can even freeze it if you want it to last a bit longer. So if you're looking for a formula that is going to be stable for a couple of months, this is not it. So if you want to add a preservative, do your own research, but this is how I recommend the formula to be done. And this is good for a one-time application or two within those 3.5 days. Alright, so here I'm going to apply the conditioner to my boyfriend's very long hair. As you can see, it is extremely dry. His hair is clean, and I'm going to fully saturate his head, making sure the hair is completely wet with the dip conditioner, and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes covered with a plastic. And then we're going to rinse with cold water. There's no need to shampoo after the conditioner. What I completely love about this formula is that it's the same consistency of the dip conditioners that you buy in the store, the ones that come in a little packet. So it's the same consistency, the same benefits, maybe even better, without the chemicals. Now, how awesome is that? It's definitely worth the time. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching this entire video, and this is the result. His hair is very soft, shiny, it smells great, and is super hydrated. So if you like the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. I reply to almost every single comment, and most important, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.